Hi there. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial to show you how to build the 3D balanced scale. This can be used if you are doing a persuasive writing unit. You can have students write the topic and also the arguments against or for the topic. And then there will be little cards to show their reasoning and evidence to support the argument. You can then have your students decide which argument might be the best to write about you on their essay. So the first thing I would do for here is cut around the rectangle. I do want to note that I am using cardstock, although you could use regular paper. It just will not be as sturdy. You can also print out the black and white version, or there's a version with just colored words and the rest is white. So please choose which one works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out this section right here on this gray rectangle first. Okay, so I have this cut out. The next step we will want to do is to fold on the black line. And then once it's folded, you will go ahead and cut these 3 slots out. And those will be where we put the cards. I would encourage your students to go a little bit longer than the line shows, just to make it easier to put the cards inside. Okay, so I went ahead and folded this portion and made the cut marks into the 3 different dotted lines on both sides. Now what I would have my students do is cut out these yellow and green ones, cutting around each one. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out the cards and placed them into the slots. As you can see, I have some of the green most valuable player or most important reason and evidence in the front and the 2 other evidences behind, and I did that on both sides. The next step is to go ahead and fold this. You can see that this needs to stay on the bottom. This needs to be on the side. This is the top portion and this is the side. Okay, and this is the completed scale. So you can see that I put the fulcrum on the bottom. I folded it. I did put some tape on the side. You are welcome to also have your students tape it up here if you want. But that is the end of it. That is how you make it. All right, good luck.